Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Gdtot couldn't generate direct downloading. So the first step is you have to go to your program tab, and here you have to type Gdtot. So now you have to click on the login register. So here you have to click on get code. Now to give them your Gmail ID. Click enter. So now you give them password. And after this, you will ask for access to your Google accounts. Click on allow. Now you will give them this site can't be reached. So first step is you have to enable your VPN to USA. Now you have to copy this link, this localhost link, and you have to paste this link in here. So click on Ctrl+V and login. So after some loading, our Gdtot account will be opened. So as you can see, our account has been opened and we have registered in the Gdtot. So if you like my video, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.